Hi, my name is Monica Chaveniak, and I'm with Fearless Cooking. I can't even boil an egg. This is what I hear all the time from people that I ask, do you cook? So today we're going to do how to boil an egg. I will show you a very simple way how to foolproof.
Giant, beautiful, massive, the biggest ever in our country.
Beautiful yellow egg yolk in the end, not a black egg yolk and not a smelly egg yolk. What we're going to do is we're boiling some water. The water is boiling. And another very important part of eggs is do not use an ice-cooled egg from the fridge. Have your eggs outside before you start boiling any kind of eggs or making any kind of egg dish. Best eggs to use is actually pasteurized eggs or free-range eggs. But again, do not put them straight from the fridge into the water. So what we're going to do is going to put very gently a nice room temperature egg into the hot water, and we're going to boil this for about a minute. Now, in order to foolproof this, if you're kind of concerned, sometimes the water could be hard or soft, just give it a few sprinkles of baking soda. That will help as well. That will help you get the eggs nicely peeled. So we're giving this 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're going to move it away from the heat, put a lid on, and leave it there for about 8 to 9 minutes. That is depending on hard water or soft water, wherever you may be. So you might have to play a little bit around with it, 1 minute or so, depending. So we have just about 1 minute reached. We're going to put the lid on, turn this off, and just put it aside. Well, now we'll give it 9 minutes. Just sit there and enjoy themselves. We'll be back in a sec. Our time is up. Now all you have to do is go to the sink, empty the water, get rid of it. This might help you a bit better. And then what you do is just hit the eggs a little bit so they'll just crack a little bit. What happens here, the sulfur and the hydrogen and the iron, whatever else is in these eggs, comes out, and so you will never have a smelly egg. The only time you have a smelly, really bad smelling kind of egg is when you overcooked your egg. If you overcook your egg, it smells. So what I do here now is I'll just put it in ice water. As you see, they all have a little indentation. I've cracked the eggs, all the smelly stuff comes out. So now we're just going to leave it here for a couple of minutes. Our eggs are nicely and cooled now. All you have to do is just gently roll the egg. Just gently roll the egg. Take a little plate and see how easy that is? This comes right out of it. When you have a few little bits and pieces, I'll just put it back in the cold water. There we go. Let's do another one. Same thing. Just gently roll. It's easy because you already opened it up. And then gently. So when you have to do 150 eggs, boiled eggs, and peel them, this really comes in handy for you to learn. There we go. Now, let's see what it is inside. Look at this.
Oh, that's beautiful.
There's no blue, there's nothing. It's just great orange egg, almost. If this is not a pasteurized egg, but if you would have a pasteurized egg, it would be completely yellow, orangey, and really delicious to eat. So all you have to do is a little bit of salt. Good morning. Delicious. How to boil an egg, very easy for you to do. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to subscribe, push any buttons, like, so you can see me again next time.
The beautiful thing is with social media, the world can write to you.
Be fearless in your cooking.